If you're tired of stubborn dark spots that just won't fade, licorice root is the ultimate secret you've been missing. In this video, I'm sharing 3 professional DIY formulas that bring back your skin's crystal clear glow and erase every single spot. Formula number 1. 1 tablespoon of licorice root powder, 1 tablespoon of yogurt, and 5 drops of fresh lemon juice. This combination is highly effective for rapidly fading dark spots and evening out your skin tone. If you're enjoying our journey together so far, I'd love for you to become part of our community. Hit subscribe and stay with us, there is so much more beauty to explore. Formula number 2. 1 tablespoon of licorice root powder, 2 tablespoons of flaxseed gel, and 5 drops of turmeric oil. This formula is exceptionally effective for deep hydration and achieving a radiant, glass skin glow. Formula number 3. 1 tablespoon of licorice root powder, 1 tablespoon of white clay, and 2 tablespoons of rose water. This blend works excellently to purify pores, balance excess oil, and soothe the skin. Always perform a patch test before trying any new DIY mask, and if you have sensitive skin, use lemon juice with caution or skip it. If you love these formulas, I'd be so honored if you joined our community by hitting subscribe. And before you go, make sure to check out my licorice root toner video on the screen. It is the perfect finishing touch for your routine.